The week-long pause of fighting in Gaza ended Friday morning as Hamas fired rockets into southern Israel and Israeli warplanes struck targets in Gaza City. 100 Israeli hostages were released during the ceasefire. A New York appeals court has reinstated a gag order on Donald Trump after he criticized a law clerk in his New York civil fraud trial. Trial judge Arthur Engoron says he now plans to enforce the gag order rigorously and vigorously. And the EPA on Thursday proposed the strongest overhaul of lead in drinking water rules in more than 3 decades. If finalized, it would force most utilities to replace lead water pipes within 10 years. There are still more than 9 million lead pipes in the ground.